what would you say to those people that are thinking about it? They're like, oh, I'm on the fence, I'm not sure if I should come. What would you say to them?
I would tell those people that they need to get their heads out of their asses and come to this conference. So from this entire experience, I just feel rejuvenated. I mean, I feel like I'm already on Opie and Tim's level, minus like 7, because they're intense and they're awesome and amazing and smart. But I get it, and I get how they make things work and how they do it, and they gave me that motivation of tell my story, kick ass, and I don't know, it's just a phenomenal experience, and I can't even express how grateful I am and the gratitude I have that I'm allowed to be part of this, and what I'm taking away from here is like mind blown. And I will come here every year because there's no way I'm gonna be able to take everything they gave me, but I know that I'm gonna take away 2 things for sure that I'm gonna implement right away, and it's gonna make a difference in my company.